P0405 on this 2015-2025 F150 2.7 EcoBoost is an electric EGR position signal problem. In plain terms, the PCM may be seeing the EGR valve position sensor signal lower than it expects. The truck may have a check engine light, and it can have an EGR-related drivability complaint, but the broad fault areas stay pretty basic. Possible EGR valve circuit trouble, connector issues, the EGR assembly itself, airflow input concerns like MAP or MAF, and in some cases the PCM-side. The important thing is not to jump straight to a part. This code path proves the reference, signal return, and EGR valve position signal circuit first. Start with the basic system checks. Once the scan result is PCM P0405, 00 for EGR sensor a circuit low, with no subtype information, take the electric EGR diagnostic path for that code. With the ignition on, confirm P0405 is actually present. If P0405 is present, continue into the electric EGR position circuit checks. If it is not present, do not force this branch. Follow the symptom direction instead. If other codes are present, check what they mean first so you are not chasing a secondary result. With the ignition off, disconnect the electric exhaust gas recirculation assembly connector. Turn the ignition on and on the 2.7 EcoBoost measure voltage between C1682 pin 3 and C1682 pin 1. You are looking for 4.5V5, 5V. If it is in that range, the reference and signal return check passes and you move on to the EGRVP signal circuit. If it is not in that range, stop this EGR position circuit path and diagnose the reference voltage side before continuing. Next, turn the ignition off and disconnect the PCM connector. For the 2.7 EcoBoost, check resistance between C1682 pin 2 and C175E pin 47. The pass point is less than 5 ohms. If resistance is less than 5 ohms, continue to the short to ground check. If it is not less than 5 ohms, repair the open circuit, clear the PCM DTCs, and repeat the self-test. Before probing this circuit, make sure the PCM connector identification matches the vehicle in front of you. Do not force the test if the connector callout does not line up. Now check the EGRVP circuit for a short to ground. For the 2.7 EcoBoost, the test is made at C1682 pin 2 and the pass point is greater than 10,000 ohms. If it passes, move to the short to voltage check. If it does not pass, repair the short circuit, clear the PCM DTCs, and repeat the self-test. Then turn the ignition on and check the EGRVP circuit at C1682 pin 2 for a short to voltage. If any voltage is present, repair the short circuit, clear the PCM DTCs, and repeat the self-test. If no voltage is present, continue to the final operation check. On these two checks, do not guess at the missing meter reference point. Verify the correct lead placement before using the result. For the final operation check, reconnect the electric exhaust gas recirculation assembly connector and reconnect the PCM connector. Then verify whether the concern is still present. If the concern is still present after the circuit checks have passed, install a new electric exhaust gas recirculation assembly, clear the PCM DTCs, and repeat the self-test. If the concern is not present, the system is operating correctly at this time, and the issue may have been caused by a loose or corroded connector. The takeaway is simple. With P0405, prove the reference, signal return, and EGRVP circuit integrity before condemning the EGR assembly. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.